Hello all, my name is Nick Combs, and today I'll be addressing the numerous statements regarding our agency. I've taken the time to listen to each and every concern mentioned by our staff. With the information I gathered, I would like to reply to these concerns directly. First, I would like to say that it is apparent that our current operating system needs an overhaul. This will be necessary in order to successfully preserve our image, provide quality care to the community, and ensure all employees are satisfied. The reports made regarding staff shortages are accurate, as we have unfortunately seen a drastic decrease over the last 2 years. I believe there are many contributing factors to this, which I will dive into further. There have been some statements made surrounding the lack of competitive pay. I'm actively looking into a solution to this problem by comparing our agency to other comparable systems. I will then gather a consensus of what competitive pay rate is for each position. I believe a competitive pay rate is very important in retaining a quality workforce as well as increasing our retention rate. We have experienced a high number of turnover and decreased retention as a steady trend over the past 2 years. To counter this, I would like to also evaluate our current employee benefits package. I have personally heard of several individuals seeking employment elsewhere in order to obtain a better pay rate and benefits. I evaluate this by also utilizing information from other comparable EMS systems. With competitive pay and quality benefits, we will also be able to better recruit quality individuals for the system. With a higher recruitment rate, we will be able to immediately counter the current shortage. Given the job title, our employees are sometimes placed in hazardous scenarios which can place their health at risk. After some expressed concerns regarding worker health, I intend to make this a top priority in my internal assessment. Immediate reparations will be made to any and all health and safety related issues involved. With that said, the addition of coronavirus pandemic has thrown us for a curveball in a sense and has directly affected employee turnover. Employees are now faced with a highly transmissible disease that requires the constant use of additional PPE. This has placed an extra strain on the already stressed employee, and I am fully empathetic to this. With that said, I want to ensure that all employees have the necessary protective equipment to protect themselves from all forms of communicable diseases. I will be working with upper management to evaluate this and make appropriate changes where needed. The internal audit will take time and effort from all staff, but especially upper management and human resources. I will be relying heavily on upper management to keep my feet on the ground. I'm requesting that they work as a liaison for the street personnel and assist in relaying all expressed concerns directly to me. Upper management will be held at a higher standard as I expect them to lead by example. The Human Resources Department will play a pivotal role in this journey as they have the ability to provide expertise surrounding nearly all of these issues. Human Resources will be able to assist me in evaluating and repairing our low retention rate. HR will also be able to provide high-quality feedback surrounding employee pay rates and revitalizing the benefits package or lack thereof. I've already tasked the HR department with utilizing their employee forecasting analysis methods to adequately evaluate what our future staffing numbers could be. HR, as opposed to myself or line management, has specialized training in how to effectively analyze our future. HR, unlike the other, has specific training in the use of quantitative and qualitative forecasting. Next on the agenda, I would like to speak about the current policy handbook. Also, with the assistance of the Human Resources Department and line management, we have begun to evaluate each part of the handbook. To ensure that all aspects of the job are clearly described, it is vital for all levels of employee to be able to reference the handbook at any given moment. Policies and guidelines are crucial in retaining a strong workforce that is guided in its daily activities. The handbook should clearly define all current applicable laws and regulations surrounding the EMS service. The policy handbook is also very important in assisting upper management with potential disciplinary matters. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude to all the employees who have voiced their true feelings surrounding our agency. It is my goal to get our agency back on track, which will include a workforce that feels appreciated. I will continue to update the workforce and media whenever needed. My hopes are that I have brought some quality insight as well as confidence to the public and workforce. This will be a journey getting back where we belong, and I hope you all remain confident and stay on board.